Right next to a pile of dog doo-doo is a coin. Cool. Good morning guys, it's Stereo. I'm at Klein Brak beach. Very beautiful. It's in the middle of George and Mosselbay. That's also the mouth of the Klein Brak lagoon. I won't be here too long, but I'll have a quick look. It is a blue flag beach, so it does get really busy in December and season time. Yeah, so wish me luck. I've got quite a high number, 80, 90, bit bouncy, but bounces high, looks quite deep. I'll dig it, see what this is. You can see it, it's a coin. £2. Awesome. So right next to a pile of dog doo-doo is a coin. Cool. Presume a 10 cent. Yeah, I'll take it. I got a signal, but I can see it. It's on the surface and it's a coin. Let's have a look. $0.50. Wonderful. Okay, so another one just lying there. $0.10. Cool. Hey, okay, so I'm in the car. I got rained out quite badly. What's up guys, it's Stereo. I hope you're doing well. I'm at Wilderness Beach. I'm more to the middle part this time. Yeah, I'm going to do a little bit of metal detecting. Hopefully I find something really cool this time. Yeah, wish me luck. Okay, so on the beach, yeah, I got a signal. I thought it was a piece of foil or something. I can actually see it's a coin. There we go. A rusted 10 cent. Yeah. Very cool. Okay, so here's the signal. 50, 48, 51. It could be just a bottle cap. I'm going to pull it out and see what it is. See it, whatever it is. Don't know what it is. Yeah, £5. Very cool. Awesome. There's the lighter. Might still be working, just lying here. That's broken. Sun. Cool. Okay, so another lighter. This time it's got a car. Picked up a signal 90 straight, 90, 91 sometimes, 90. Let's have a look. Money, 1 rand, 2 rand. Yeah, 5 rand. Very cool. Okay, here we go. One other bit bouncy, but also 80, 90. Very strong. There we go. 2 rand. Cool. Very cool. Yeah, super cool. Got another very broken signal, half a meter from where the 2 rand was. It's a bit deeper. Might just be nothing, but it could be a rusted coin. Let's have a look. Just can't scoop it. Okay, there we go, fishing it. Cool, non-release. Didn't really know what it was, didn't expect to get this. Cool. So I'm gonna unload my finds at home, also my finds for yesterday. Yeah, very cool beaches. People are telling me that I should come when there's storms. I don't know of any storms coming up, but yeah, I'll see you guys later. Okay, so I'm back home. 2 very cool days. Quick session. I went to Klein Brak the first day, and that I got rained out in the end. I didn't find too much, but it's a very beautiful beach. Also the lagoon, I'd like to explore that a bit more sometime. There's a lot of sea life lying around on the beaches, so I'd like to get some footage of that as well. And then I went to Wilderness Beach earlier, and yeah, beautiful weather today. Yesterday wasn't, and I didn't find too much on both beaches, but I did get some coins, and I did get junk off the beach, so that's very nice. I mean, even if it's just a bottle cap or a piece of foil or a can or something, at least I get something off the beach. Okay, so my finds, I got 3 lighters this time. Or these 2 times. The one I got, the ugly crusted up one, I got at Klein Brak, and then the other 2 I got at Wilderness Beach. I do chuck them away. I mean, it doesn't mean much. There's junk anyway. Some bottle caps. Both beaches were quite clean, so I didn't get too much. I did throw some cans away. I didn't video that. But at least I got that off the beach, and a little bit of foil and some more cans. I picked up a nice little sea urchin. They normally have quite large spikes. They do make beautiful shells though, so that's why I kept it. Also kept it to show you. They're very fragile, so You gotta handle them with care. Okay, so I found a non-release hook, my last find for the 2 days. Yeah, it's not really a special hook, it's just less chance of losing the fish once you get it hooked. Okay, found some coins, not too much, but I did find some coins though, and it's 2 5 rands. I got two rands, a 50-cent and 3 10-cents. So that's still cool. At least I got some coin. That's the end of the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, you give me a like. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks a lot. See you soon.